Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can buy and activate a Maya mobile eSIM from start to finish so that you will be ready before your trip. So first of all, you need to come here on maya.net, which is the official website of Maya Mobile. You can also download and install the Maya Mobile application on your device. Now, when you are inside, the very first thing that you need to do is to simply just sign up for your free account. You can definitely do it with the help of your email address. Then in this search bar, you just have to simply search for where do you want to travel. So let's say I want to travel to Thailand. So I'm just going to simply type Thailand over here in the search bar, and then it is going to basically start showing you all of the available unlimited data plans that are available. So these are the unlimited data plans. You can just simply scroll down a bit more in order to understand the FAQs relating to the destination that you have selected. So you just have to simply select that particular plan in which you are interested, and then you will be landed here on this page where you can just simply select the option of auto top up if you want, or if not, you can just simply keep it unchecked. Then right next to it, you are going to see the total amount that you need to pay. So you can select any of the payment methods like Apple Pay and Google Pay, the cards, and PayPal as well, and then you can just simply make the payment. So as soon as you make the payment, you are going to get the QR code via email, or you can also find the eSIM details. When you log in, you will see the option of my eSIMs section, so you can also get the information from there. So once you have it, what you need to do next is to simply go to the cellular section and select the option of add eSIM on your iPhone. Afterwards, you can either choose the option of scanning a QR code or enter the details manually, and then basically you can just simply enter the activation code and follow further simple on-screen instructions in order to basically activate that eSIM or install that eSIM successfully. On Android, you can go to the SIMs section, and from there you can scan the QR code and it works the same. So for more details, you can go through this particular article so that you could understand all the details carefully. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.